Hi guys, thank you so much for watching these videos. Your comments and interaction means the world to me. If you're new to the channel, please have a look to previous videos to know we're all about the love for adrenaline. This takes us to different adventures every time, which are mostly accompanied by our beloved high-end scooters or high-amp e-bikes. Today's subject is the Aprilia RS50, again, part 3. So far we've just switched the original exhaust to a Voca exhaust, meant for 50cc or sport 70cc's. I know that's not high-end at all, but it's my first shifter bike, so let me get a hang on it first. We further changed the carburetor and just came down to fine-tuning the main jet. Previous video we've ended with a main jet of 95. Now, if we look at the original documents delivered with the carburetor, the minimum jet was 110, I remember. So, we're gonna change it to 115 and have a pretty unfair test ride against the Big Evo Aerox 100cc, 50cc versus 100cc, so let's see how that goes. Please enjoy the ride.
Ik wil dat niet met de show.
couple of meters ahead, there's a Mercedes. Yeah, Dr. Piaggio spotted him and wanted me to go after him.
Final round, fight!
Yeah, he clearly didn't expect that. Now we both know this is a closed road, so this is the only reason why we're doing this. Please be safe out there. Yeah, of course, always fun when a friend knows a friend who's joyriding his bike as well. Tuning!
Zie, den ook nog branden.
Baby!
Ah, joh,
Wordt het poortje op slot gedaan? Dan zijn we veilig.
Nee.
Oei, oei, dat is...
Ja.
Wat even gaan. Up next, more scooter madness, some one-on-one sprints, and much more. Be safe, thank you for watching.